Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Goran Guitar. We have a cool song here from Florence and the Machine. Always interesting with her songs, artistic and different in all kinds of way. But anyway, we have a song called Perfume and Milk. Two of my favorite things in the world. Let's go and check this song out. We have a capo set on first fret. Absolute best scenario, makes our life much easier. And with that, we have 4 chords that rolls in the same way through the entire song. Let's learn the chords, starting with D minor. So D minor goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. Next chord C, that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have a bar chord. Like always, we must have a bar chord. Anyway, first fret, you push down all strings there with the index finger, and then you have third A added, third D, and second G. And finally, we have the E minor, and that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. So let's learn the strumming pattern, and it's much easier to illustrate it with a chord like E minor because we have a full set of strings here we're going to use. Why? Because the strumming here, it's great if you can separate the top strings from the bass strings. Okay, so top strings are the strings down here, and the bass strings in their upper area here. So work like that. Okay, so let's go into one string round, and one string round is about 8 fast downs. It goes like this. Okay, so notice I'm separating this top from the bass. So you're gonna play top, bass, bass, then top, bass, top, bass, bass. So again, that is one string around. Okay, so top, bass, bass, top, bass, top, bass, bass. So, and in a context, a couple of rounds goes like this. Okay, so that is what's going on, and in your head, if you want to just make that clear, it starts with top bass bass, and it also ends with top bass bass. In between there, we have just top bass. Okay, so it goes top bass bass, then comes top bass, and then top bass bass. All right, if that makes sense. So. Anyway, you cannot count top bass and all that in your head because you want to practice it and then you just gonna feel it. That is pretty much the point here. Anyway, let's leave that out of this and learn the song. So we're gonna have D minor, 1 string around, then C, 1 string around, and you're gonna do that for 3 times. So D minor 1, C1, D minor 1, C1, D minor 1, C1, and on the 4th round you're gonna play F1 and E minor 1, and that's the end. Then you just make that over and over again. So I'm gonna take down the tempo a bit and play 1 round for you, and you're just gonna duplicate that for many times and just play that through the entire song. So D minor 1, C1 for 3 times, and then F1 and E minor 1 like this. 3rd round. Florence and the Machine, Perfume and Milk. Thank you for watching, guys. Be back here for next upload. Till then, play tuned.